everyone, how are you doing? I miss you very much. I hope that you are holding up well at home and enjoying the beautiful sunshine that's outside. So this week for art, we have a project that lets you be outside. So we are going to be making sidewalk chalk that you can paint with. So we only need cornstarch, water, and our handy dandy food coloring. Using those three materials, you can make a really cool paint mixture that you can paint on the sidewalk. So stay tuned on how to do that and have fun experimenting. Okay, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to share any of the projects you made. I really want to see them.